Do you want to learn how to drive 1,000 e-commerce sales from SEO without being an SEO expert? Well, today I'm going to teach you how. Hi everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to break down 4 e-commerce SEO techniques for beginners. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. Now I have a question for you. I want you to leave a comment below so that way I know how to better help you out. How many sales are you getting per month from your e-commerce store? If it's 0, that's okay. I know I need to help you a little bit more then. If it's 100 or 1,000, let me know whatever the number is below on a monthly basis what you're getting in sales, and I'll make sure I'll help you out whenever you need it. So step 1, Google Merchant. It gives you free exposure, free organic traffic in the Google Shopping tab. There's integrations with a lot of e-commerce platforms that can help you generate your shopping feed automatically and even submit it for you automatically to Google Merchant. Step 2, product page SEO. Don't focus on search volume in your keyword research process. Focus on keywords with transactional intent. Just keep this in mind. If someone types in laptop, they could be doing research on laptop. They may need laptop repairs. They may be just trying to figure out, what's coming up with Apple's latest laptop that they may be releasing. But if someone's looking for cheap laptops for college or the best laptop for college students, that's more transactional, right? That's going to get you more sales. And if you're struggling to find these transactional keywords, you can type in head terms like laptop. Those are those 1 or 2 word keyword phrases within ubersuggest.com. And when you type it in, it'll give you a whole laundry list of ideas in the keyword ideas report. So when you're on Ubersuggest, once you type in your keyword, in the left-hand navigation, you'll see keyword ideas. You click on it and you'll see all the recommendations related to laptops. And there's even questions there, prepositions, comparison keywords. A lot of these will be transactional-based keywords that aren't that competitive, don't drive as much volume, but they'll definitely drive you revenue. You also got to keep in mind your title and meta description. You want to include the brand of the product there. You want to include the name of the product there and include the model number as well, or anything else that differentiates your product or makes it unique and helps it stand out from competitors who may be selling similar products. And of course, you want to add structured data, add FAQ content, so that way people know, hey, here's the FAQs, but Google can also pull that in. You want to share real testimonials, not fake ones, real ones, the more detailed with images, even better. And you also want to write unique product descriptions optimized for both SEO and conversions. And this one's a big mistake that I see people making, because when they're writing product descriptions, a lot of times they're selling the same product that other people have to offer, and they're all using the same product description that the manufacturer gave. So if they do that, how does Google know which one to rank? Everyone's site looks duplicate. So make sure that you're going above and beyond with the product descriptions. You also want to use canonical tags if you have different models and variations of the same product, and eventually you stop selling those old products. A lot of e-commerce stores make the mistake of they just delete those pages. I'm like, why would you delete those pages? A lot of links to it, a lot of people still going to those pages. You want to make sure that you use canonicals or even 301 redirects. And optimize for the mobile shopper experience. Because for a mobile device, people don't have as big of a screen. It needs to be fast. You want to use things like breadcrumbs. You want to showcase your product with amazing imagery and video, better than any one of your competitors, maybe even do 3D views, and that all helps. Step 3, minimize your load time and maximize your site speed. We talked about this a little bit, but just think about it. If you're in the middle of nowhere, I don't care if there's 5G that you're paying for. Probably not going to get 5G reception. Heck, you're probably not going to get 4G. Maybe though, you'll get 3G. So make sure you optimize for site speed. You can use Google PageSpeed Insights, put in your URL, or heck, you can even go into Ubersuggest, put in your URL, check out the site audit report, and in that site audit report, it pulls a lot of stuff from Google's Core Web Vitals updates and ensures that your website is doing all the things that you need to do from an on-page perspective, as well as a site speed perspective, so you can do well for both mobile devices and desktop devices, and even tablet devices. Step 4, create relevant URL structures. A lot of people in e-commerce, for some reason, they put numbers in the URL. I don't know why. Unless the model number or the product has a number in there, you should avoid that. You want to include keywords that are relevant to your product, because that's how you're going to get the most traffic in the long run. And keep in mind, you don't want your URLs too long. When your URLs are really, really long, Google thinks that when someone types in a really, really long query, your URL should rank. But then when someone types in 1 or 2 words that are part of URL, but not everything in there, what you'll find is it's harder for you to rank even when your web page is a perfect fit for that keyword query that someone just typed in. So when in doubt, try to keep your URLs more shorter than longer. Now, if you need help with your e-commerce SEO, check out our ad agency, NP Digital, where funny enough, over 40% of our clients are in the e-commerce space. And we love helping them grow their traffic, as well as through SEO, paid ads, and content, and all the other services out there that you may need. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to help. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you for watching.